Hey Auto Good fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking on a timeless icon that's just been completely reinvented for the electric age. We're looking at the new generation Mini Cooper Electric, and we need to answer a critical question. Is it still the fun-loving go-kart we all know and love? Or has it simply become a stylish, high-tech fashion statement? This is our honest review. The new Cooper Electric comes with two main powertrain options. The Cooper E model is equipped with a 40.7 kilowatt-hours battery, delivering 184 horsepower and a healthy amount of torque, and offers a WLTP range of up to 305 kilometers. For those seeking more performance and range, the Cooper SE gets a larger 54.2 kilowatt-hours battery, which boosts power to 218 horsepower and extends the range to an impressive 400 kilometers WLTP. This model can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a swift 6.7 seconds, a figure that promises plenty of punchy, urban fun. Both models support DC fast charging, allowing for a 10% to 80% charge in around 30 minutes, making it more practical for longer trips. Visually, the new Mini Cooper Electric retains its instantly recognizable silhouette, but with a thoroughly modern twist. The design is cleaner and more minimalist, with flush door handles and the signature circular elements being key themes. The most dramatic change is inside, where a minimalist dashboard is dominated by a stunning circular 9.4-inch OLED display. This isn't just a screen, it's a vibrant, multifunctional interface that controls everything, from the infotainment to the ambient lighting. While prices for specific variants may fluctuate, we can expect the new generation to start from around Rp 1.1 billion to Rp 1.2 billion for the Cooper E and go up from there for the more powerful and feature-rich Cooper SE. Depending on options and local taxes, this pricing puts it in direct competition with other premium electric vehicles, including some larger SUVs. Now for the big question, is it still fun, or is it just stylish? Our honest review suggests it's a bit of both, but the fun factor is definitely still there. The new Mini Cooper Electric's secret strength is its modern interpretation of the go-kart feel. By building it on a dedicated EVE platform, Mini has managed to give it a low center of gravity and a wide track, which helps a corner with incredible agility and minimal body roll. The instant torque from the electric motors provides that signature mini punch, making it feel incredibly responsive and quick in city traffic. While it has grown a bit in size and gained weight, its playful, darty nature is preserved, particularly on winding roads. Who is the new generation Mini Cooper Electric for? It's for the urbanite who wants a car with personality and style, but also a low carbon footprint. It's for the driver who values a fun, engaging driving experience above all else, even if it means a slightly firm ride. This car is for those who are ready to embrace the electric future, but want to do so in a vehicle that is unapologetically cool, iconic, and full of character. What are your thoughts on the new Mini Cooper Electric? Do you think it has successfully translated the classic fun into an electric package? Or is it just a stylish statement? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Good for more honest car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.